Pete here with my grandson into his photography. Look, a lot better photographer than me. So we're at the top of the waterfall now, basically. Just watch you don't slip.
I know, yeah.
You come here. Do you want to go there and hold on to that tree and take a picture down there or not?
I'm right, I can get it from here. I would rather not.
Come around this way, do it from here, look.
Yeah.
We'll work our way down. It's a bit slippery, so you have to be careful.
Yeah.
The mine shaft is just down there. We'll go down there and we walk round, come round along there,
Oh yeah.
and step across. What do you want to do?
Just taking a lower photo.
Well, we'll go down there, so. So we're just going to have a look at the mine shaft now, which is up in that corner over there. We've been here before.
Wait, Grandad, is it alright if I just step back?
Yeah, of course it is. Just you won't sink. It's just a bit muggy. Step down.
Oh, I was panicking there. I've done it. What was it?
That's the fairy door. We've got some more. We'll get the torches out and open it up. So it looks like it's unlocked. Give your camera out.
Yeah.
I'll leave my bag here.
Yeah.
Get a couple of torches out. What we'll have to do though, you might get a bit of a wet boot here.
Yeah.
There's not a lot you can do about it really.
Why don't we just do that bit another day?
No, come on, we'll be alright. Bloody hell, it goes for miles, you know. Do you want to come in and have a look?
Yeah.
Come here to me. I've got another torch in my pocket, it's alright. They all dug this out by hand, you know, with picks and shovels.
Oh, Jesus. Look at that photo, that one.
Cool, isn't it? Yeah. There's a bit of a fall there, landslide there, slip there. You can see where there's, look, that lump.
Yeah.
The dirt's obviously come down there. But I won't go no further.
No, because if the dirt fell there, you never know.
It's cool though, isn't it? It's cool. What?
Look, you can see the dust go like in your...
Yeah.
Let me see if I can pick it up on photo. No.
It's warm though, isn't it, in here when you come in here? It's warm. But it's only like...
But there's like leaks and stuff.
Yeah. Little creatures.
Yeah.
Cool. You've got a dirty bum.
Yeah, I know. Luckily these are all black. Okay, you go ahead.
Okay.
I don't trust myself.
And you trust me?
Yes. I trust you more than I trust me.
Right.
Okay.
Come out to here, spit dry. You getting wet feet?
Pardon?
You getting wet feet?
Not really, no.
Cool though, isn't it?
Yeah. I find it cool how like the light breaks through.
Yeah. So much history. Right,
I'm going to send this to Mum in a minute.
let's get back without falling over.
Yeah, well, let's try.
You're all right onto there?
Pardon?
You're all right onto there?
Yeah.
Then we've got to go across here somewhere.
Yeah. You alright?
There's better, shallower. That's quite deep there. Just follow me all the way, go to there. That's alright, you're right there.
Yeah. The thing is, with the wood, it looks like newly built.
Yeah.
We'll be careful, Grandad, of where the wood is.
So like
That's the big.
the fire and that would have been down there.
Yeah.
That chimney above your head. And the clay would dry out.
I've got the bricks and stuff.
And then they'd bag it up and it's transported. But I think this is over, got to be over 100 years old. I think. Must be. That's a tall chimney, isn't it?
Yeah, very. Compared to the ones we have on houses.
Yeah. So you've got to imagine this like 100, 200 years ago, there wouldn't be any of these trees here. There'd just be buildings and stuff like that.
Yeah, this would be like a normal town.
Well, yeah, we're not quite a town, but yeah, it'd be busy.
A village.
Yeah, it'd be like busy, there'd be sort of places. There's a big pit there as well.
Can we go have a look?
Well, go along here, there's a footpath runs along here, you can go up here. Like a path. Oh. Do you need a hand?
I'm right.
There's a shaft over there.
Yeah. Wait, this is...
It's not like an animal, it's a proper old mine shaft, that is, it's not an animal. It's been cut out.
It's crazy. Look, you have...
There's probably, could be a fox living in there.
Yeah.
But, oh shit, man.
You right?
I'm just getting old, mate.
Crazy, isn't it?
Do we shine a torch in there?
Oh, yeah.
Look, you can see it. Come here, give us a hand.
Oh.
I ain't going to go in there. But you can see,
See, like the rocks and stuff.
it's all been cut away. It's blocked off, it's collapsed at the back there.
Oh, yeah.
You can see it's all
Yeah.
right at the back there.
Yeah.
It's collapsed. Cool though, isn't it?
Yeah, very. You go down first.
Fall over my arse.
I'll go down behind you.
Cheers.
What's that random metal thing?
It's a water tank of some description. I think water, I'm saying water tank. But these are obviously a bit later because these are quite modern.
Yeah.
Fence posts they are. But all these, you can see the wall there,
Yeah.
goes along there and along that way. There's obviously a big building. There's a badger set up here as well. Do you want to look at the badger set?
Badger shit.
Badger set,
Oh,
where they live.
I thought you said badger shit.
Well, there probably is badger shit if badgers live here, aren't they? And we get round. Trees are all falling down.
Sure that's not there?
It's over there. The badger set's all over there. Just come around this way. You'll be all right. You can. Yeah, the badger set up here. It was active. Like there was badgers in it But I think it's further up actually. Bit of a hill to climb up here. Bit of a hill. No, it looks like it's still. It looks like it's still active. Whoa, steep. If you come here, look, when you're here.
Wait, carry on looking up. I'm gonna get a photo of you. Like there.
You know that was all like overgrown in there, wasn't it? It was all overgrown back there.
Yeah.
If you come here, you can see the ground, it's all like been dug.
Yeah.
There's a big hole over there. It's a massive badger set, this is.
Oh yeah.
There's one up here, should be one up here as well. I was thinking of putting a wildlife camera up here. If you come here, you see claw marks as well. Where they mess about.
That place?
Yeah. Ooh. If you come here, look.
Oh yeah.
You see the scratch marks in there?
Yeah, Jesus.
Badger claws. They're big old beast badgers. Oh. Yeah, look. Oh. Bloody hell, I'm getting tired for this. Be a nice place to set the wildlife camera up, wouldn't it?
Yeah, very.
Sit and watch them. I might have to do that one evening.
Get like a dash cam or something.
Yeah, set it up. Because it's obviously active. Don't go and put your foot down a badger set.
Oh, big hole.
Is there? There's one up here, look in there. Up here, look in there. You right?
Yeah.
I love these old trees. Come go up this way, go up here.
Yeah.
Go over the fence. It's not barbed wire up here, so. But you can see how worn this is all down here.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a photo of the like texture of the tree.
Big hole over here. Alright, cool Zach?
Yeah.
Dude. Let's see, look over there.
We'd have to do the zip line thing at this point.
So this is like was a farm. Someone we know said there was in this building on the left.
Yeah.
There used to be like a mill grinding stone and that, and a pony go round and round in circles, like grind the
Oh yeah.
wheat and
And
flour.
then it would like make it go in a circle, yeah.
Yeah. But this has all got preservation orders on it. There's bats and stuff in here. Like these old farm buildings and stone. Place for bats to get in up there.
Huh? Oh yeah. Little holes.
Yeah. That's like the old farmhouse or manager's house or something. I don't know.
Never know.
So just done a little video, been out to grandson this afternoon, just exploring locally some of the older industrial sites, and he's back there filming and recording.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a look here.
Okay, all right mate, no worries. Go you like. And the wife is heading up this way somewhere with Mr. Stanley.
Grandad, there's like a walkway through there.
Is there? I suppose it used to be their garden, I presume. I don't think you can get out down there, I don't know.
Oh, it's like an abandoned village.
Yeah. Nice view to see over here.
Yeah.
And now we've come sort of back round. Them allotments we walked past are there now. So we walked, there's a path goes along the bottom there. We're coming on. That's Gribbing Head over there.